Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Parma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be looking at some technical tools like what could be the trend, what could be the levels, what could be the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. We'll be looking at these few things. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right, so this is basically the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you look at here, you can see there is no momentum. So basically, what's happening with the Bitcoin. If you are watching our series, especially in this week, if you are watching these videos every day, so I am just telling you this thing. We are basically not getting any momentum. Specifically, if I talk about the Bitcoin, so that's completely lacking the momentum. And again, it's just one day you will see a very small dozy or a spinning top, another day you will see a green or red dozy or a spinning top, and this kind of momentum is happening with this particular cryptocurrency. So till the time we are not getting good volumes, we are not getting good traders, which can move the price, till that time we will not be very much sure about this particular cryptocurrency. And since now it's trading below than this particular trend line as well as the important level of 22,600, so we will be still getting an indication of further downside to this particular cryptocurrency. So nothing much to say. The price is not moving on either side. What you can see, you can just take up a resistance at 22,600, and we can take up a support at 20,000 levels. Now if I look at the Ethereum, so for Ethereum it's still trading higher. However, today the price is slightly fall, so it's like 2.24% the price is down by yesterday. But still, as of now the volumes are very less, and the plus point or the good point is that the price is still trading higher than this particular trend line. So again, there is you can say a restriction. There is a problem in in for the Ethereum to cross or to close above the resistance of 1725. So this 1725 level is an important one, and if we get a close above than that, you will see that the price will again come back to the higher side and it will move to the higher levels as well. So what we can do, we can take up a resistance at 1725 and we can take up a support at 1510. This is I think the best way to look at into these two cryptocurrencies nowadays, because unless and until we will not be getting a clear direction, we will not be getting more traders, more volumes, I think there is no point to look at into these two cryptocurrencies. So yes, let's just wait for that, and then it would be a great idea that to enter into these two cryptocurrencies. So if you are liking our video, if you are liking this video, if you are liking our content, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any further important videos in the future. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.